I was just in my, I just went to go get more wine. And then my husband was like, hey, you have a box. So, let's see what I got. Final Fantasy leather plush Moogle. And although this is totally a collector's item, I am totally opening it because I open all my stuff. So I think these are numbered on their feet or something like that. I seem to recall reading that they made so many per region. So there's JP, NA, and EU. So I bought, of course, an NA one. If I can get this box open. Oh, he's so cute! Look at that. Kupo, Kupo, Kupo. I did. I had to because I love plushies. I mean, this one is not soft and cuddly at all. It's leather, but it's so cute. I mean, he's like... I'm so happy. So, hey, so he's what, number... Seriously, I have number 1. It says US 001. So I have the very first leather Moogle.